morning, everyone. We are opening the Mandaluyong Fencing Hall, courtesy of Greenfield District, Greenfield Development Corporation. Today, we have no less than Attorney Dwayne Santos, Executive Vice President, Greenfield Development Corporation, together with Councilor Benji Abalos of Mandaluyong and Coach Ariel Montinola and the Mandaluyong Fencing Club. A round of applause, please. Okay, once they cut the ribbon, you clap your hands and you enter. Okay, our photographers will count. Go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Congratulations! Thank you very much. Sir Henry. Kids. Come here, all kids, by height. By height. Coach. Pastor, get your swords now, Pastor.